If you're thinking about selling your home in South Central Wisconsin, you've probably asked yourself this exact question. Should I fix it up or just sell it as is and move on? I hear this all the time, especially from homeowners who don't want to over-improve or waste money before a listing. Here's the truth. In the greater Madison area, the right answer can mean the difference between leaving money on the table or walking away with a stronger offer. So today, I'll break down when repairs make sense, when selling as is actually the smarter move, and how buyers in this market really think. I recently spoke with a homeowner who was torn. Their home needed cosmetic updates, paint, flooring, some dated fixtures, but nothing major. They were worried about spending money up front and not getting it back. At the same time, another seller down the street sold a nearly identical home after making a few strategic updates and received multiple offers well above expectations. Same neighborhood, very different outcomes. The difference wasn't luck, it was strategy. So in our area, first impressions still matter. Even in a competitive market, buyers are emotional. Most buyers scroll through listings online before ever stepping inside, and condition plays a huge role in whether they book a showing. Simple repairs like fresh paint, updated lighting, clean landscaping, and minor cosmetic fixes often deliver the biggest return. These updates help your home photograph better, feel move-in ready, and attract stronger offers. In many neighborhoods, buyers are willing to pay a premium to avoid the hassle of immediate repairs, even if they plan to remodel later. Now, selling as is can still be the right move. That said, selling as is isn't always a bad idea. If your home needs major work like foundation issues, an aging roof, outdated electrical, or extensive deferred maintenance, making repairs may not be cost effective. In these cases, selling as is can attract investors, builders, or buyers specifically looking for a project. In South Central Wisconsin, land value alone can be incredibly strong, especially in prime school districts or desirable locations. The key is pricing the home correctly and setting expectations up front so buyers understand exactly what they're getting. The goal isn't perfection, it's positioning. Here's what most sellers get wrong. They think the decision is an all or nothing. You don't need a full remodel to sell well, and you don't need to ignore everything and hope for the best. The smartest strategy is choosing repairs that improve perception, reduce buyer objections, and maximize demand without overspending. This is where a local market analysis matters. In South Central Wisconsin, the right $10,000 to $30,000 in improvements can sometimes result in a much higher sales price or multiple offer scenarios. So is it worth making repairs before selling or selling as is? The answer depends on your home, your goals, and your timeline. If you're thinking about selling and aren't sure where to invest or whether to invest at all, I'd be happy to help. Feel free to call us or text us at 608-345-6594, or you can email me directly at jdholt@kw.com. I'll walk you through a clear, no pressure plan to help you decide what makes the most financial sense before you list.